My role at Actito is, well, I head the product management team, and I've been heading the product management team for an odd 4 years now. But what I do on weekends and in the evenings is front-end coding. So I had kind of that hunch that we needed to do more front-end coding, and we needed to decouple the front end from the back end. And I probably steered the company to decouple the front end from the back end. So I was at the origin of that idea that didn't quite work out the first year, and that we got back in line with the help of Hackages, and I'm going to tell you why in a few minutes. Hackages, we met them with a few hack jams. We were seduced by the pragmatism, the enthusiasm, the passion about front end, and the work we had with Hackages, be it with the formal trainings or the coaching, really helped our engineers to get into the mood of being front-end developers and not just general developers, and learning about the best practices and building components that could be reusable, managing a portfolio of components that grows, that enriches, and that you don't have to rewrite every 3 months. One thing that I found really very interesting with the Hackages approach was that it wasn't an ex cathedra knowledge handover. It was really the arbitrage between, you have this way of doing, it's not optimal. The optimal would ask you to change too much. You can steer in the right direction doing this way. It was really pragmatic, and this I really appreciated. But there was a real transformation in the team. Transformation in the sense that there was a much more confidence on, yes, we're going the right way, we're heading in the right direction. Much more confidence on, yes, we have an idea of what the best practices are. And this kind of helped build a more impactful curiosity. I don't think it increased the curiosity level, but it increased the impact of their curiosity on finding the right pieces of information elsewhere. So I think maybe if I had to boil it down to 3 things, it was knowledge of what front-end development is, best practices, and confidence.